Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nur Amir Hakim bin Ma'azah. My metric number A18A0277. Now we present part the introduction of AkzoNobel Industry Coating Malaysia Sdn Bhd. AkzoNobel is manufacturer of paint, chemical and coating origin from Netherlands. The headquarters in Amsterdam and now the company abroad to the worldwide. AkzoNobel have been in Malaysia about 61 since 1959 who has known as AkzoNobel Industry Coating Malaysia Sdn Bhd. AkzoNobel Malaysia run the manufacturing of paint coating, paint protection as hard manufacturing. AkzoNobel offer the service for the ship paint in domestic and also for international. Now moving on to company activities. For the finance, AkzoNobel making their business forecast using the volume strategy method. AkzoNobel use volume strategy method where they will be pay attention to the strength of supply in demand from supplier. Divided in two parts where decorative paint income and performance coating income increase. For stabilize the finance, many branches has established to the worldwide. For the marketing, AkzoNobel introduced a global program which incorporates the best tool and process for the Raven go-to-go market model. Sales force training for the boss, the frontline sales force, and the first line manager. Also have channel marketing, which is the think tank has developed a term over-the-counter promotion, which run across 600 stores nationwide. For the operation, AkzoNobel develop, design and operate facility and conduct activity taking in consideration the efficient use of energy and material, the sustainable use of renewable resources, the minimization of environment impact and resignation, and the safe and responsible disposal of residual waste. During this COVID-19 season, AkzoNobel customer rely on them to provide critical industry-wide product. For the example, our upholstery is used in computer bag and other metal items, which are now in high demand. Quality resources in this area to ensure the product of this important item can.
Every company certainly has its own difficulties and challenges. Whether it can be overcome or not, the challenge faced by AkzoNobel Industry Coatings Neighborhood are common challenge. First of all, the challenge in terms of knowledge of company system. Next, the challenge in terms of communication. And finally, the most difficult challenge when a customer or company want to use a painting service suddenly. For the solution, knowledge related to the system is very important in marketing conduct by AkzoNobel Industrial Coatings Neighborhood. Productivity of knowledge worker is crucial not only for organizational innovation and competitiveness, but also for sustainable development. Therefore, the company has created one program and classes every month for its employees. Each month, classes and program will be conducted in each of their respective areas of work. The program and classes organized by the company has a better impact on the performance of each of its employees. Demand for ship painting service is on the rise, but there are not enough workers specializing in ship painting. As a result, the company itself has trained their employees more in ship painting skill. The company has spent thousands of ringgit to cover the cost of training for its employees. The company has spent thousands of ringgit to cover the cost of training for its employees. This is one of the best practice done by the company to solve the problem of shortage of manpower who specialize in the field of painting.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Hanisa binti Chuhid and my part is about global market opportunity assessment. Okay, task one is analyze the organizational likeness to the international. Okay, this AkzoNobel has been operating in South Asia, and he been doing the international in several countries like China and Singapore. Okay, first of all, the company has managed to establish a personal relationship between the owner of the overseas company and become the holding partner of the company overseas. Okay, next is company. This AkzoNobel has been assessed business capital by taking into account all of factor in terms of finance, market, manpower, and also demand in a country. Okay. Okay, next is company has been appoint a firm to conduct research based on demand for their market. Okay, this is very important because it allowed the demand and supply activity to be part with the foreign market. Okay, the AkzoNobel has been faced few challenges, which is they have problem with understanding the language and the culture of the foreign. But this issue has been faced by the foreign, and they learn how to speak their foreign language. So I believe that if their workforce is nurtured well, respecting their core principle of the company and their successful thinking, that they can definitely lead the company to a better stage. Okay, so the company has built a single and global team of a high performing paint company. Okay, task 2. Assess the sustainability of the firm product and the service for the foreign market. Okay, as we all know, AkzoNobel is indeed really to enter the foreign market. One of the things they have been faced is they have clear a mission and a vision, and this company has applied this vision and vision to their all employees. Okay, next, it has been designed to encourage operation synergy, and it has been provide their standardization while leveraging expertise across the business. Okay, according to the report 2018, AkzoNobel has been faster and more efficient way of their working, with two area of focus, which is making and selling their paint. Okay, next is AkzoNobel has been centralization of all supply chain activities, including their manufacturing and procurement, into a global integrated supply chain. And it has been a major change that has brought a few improvements.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuri Syafiqah binti Ahmad Nazri, and my matric number is A1AA0674. And today I will present my part is a task 3. Task 3 is about screen countries to identify attractive target market. 3 is about AkzoNobel industry coating has gone through a several process in identifying market target for a country. In addition, companies also assess the intensity of the market, where they assess whether there is consumer purchasing power in a country on their products. Next is the acceptance of the country to be imported. Foreign countries very much welcome any form of good import into their country to cover the shortage of a product or service. Next is a task 4. In a task 4 is about to assess the industry market potential for the product or service in target market selected. Next is a task 4. So in a task 4, we talk about AkzoNobel Industrial Coating Sdn Bhd, specialized in the proud manufacture of paint and coating, setting color and a protection standard since 1792. Our portfolio of worldwide brands including Dulux, international, Seekens and Interpoint is trusted by customers worldwide. The target market for the AkzoNobel company are countries in the Southeast Asia, countries in the West, and countries in the East. The company has the potential to further expand its market worldwide. Demand for service and goods from companies is also increased, especially from ASEAN and Europe countries. The company is working to further improve their service.
My name is Nur Alia Nazira binti Nazrul Aimi. My matrix number is A1A0531. For my part is thus far choose qualified business partners such as distributor or supply AkzoNobel Industry Coating Sinden Berhad. First, Malaysia, AkzoNobel Industry Coating Sinden Berhad. The company has current export market in Papua New Guinea, Singapore and Taiwan. Also has many distributors like in Selangor and Sarawak. And the company has leading decorative paints and packaging coating company which is Deluxe. Next, Australia, AkzoNobel Coating Pte Ltd. AkzoNobel was found in 1994, which is 17 location. The company offer on performance coating for vehicle refinish and cold coatings. Next, Singapore, AkzoNobel Paint Singapore Pte Ltd. AkzoNobel was found in 1967 that the company offer produce the manufacturing of paint, enamels and varnish. Lastly, Netherlands, AkzoNobel NV. AkzoNobel was found in 1911 and the company offer decorative paints and coating polymer, paper, bleaching and other chemical products. Lastly, Tassi estimate company sell potential for each target market. AkzoNobel Industry Coating Sinden Berhad. Target market for AkzoNobel companies, countries in Southeast Asia, countries in the West, and the countries in the East. Western countries such as Portugal and the United States, Spain and France. Countries from the Middle East like Saudi Arabia, Eastern countries such as Japan, China and Korea. And then the time-consuming ship work has resulted in various challenges from the sea leading to ship repairs. This made the target market in Malaysia open for all countries that have damaged paint on ship to be repainted. Target market does not count any status, popularity and so on. Acceptance of request to company is not limited, whether small or large ship and small or large company. The company is played if customer deal with the company service and it is not profit. The company is still trying to conduct marketing to foreign country even though the COVID-19 pandemic situation is seen. Thank you.
For the conclusion, we can conclude that AkzoNobel is a company who running product and service of painting, coating, and paint protection for the house and for the ship. The company also exported their product for domestic and international demand. We can conclude that AkzoNobel is a strong company stable for the domestic and international trade over the worldwide.